So calculate the energy of first orbit of helium plus ion. What is the radius of this orbit? See, helium plus ion is an example for hydrogen like species. So this is hydrogen like species. Now calculate the energy of first orbit. When I say first orbit, n is equal to 1. We have to calculate the radius. Simple, students. For the calculation of energy, we have the formula En is equal to, in general, En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into Z square by N square. Z square by N square joules per atom. Now, if you consider helium, so helium is an example. The atomic number of helium is 2. Don't take one for all the questions. No, it depends on the nature of the element. So here helium. So even though it's a single electron system, the atomic number won't change. So substitute the values. We get En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into z square is 2 square by 1. So why 1? Why? Because 1 is the orbit number. If you can do 2.18 into 2 square is 4, you get 8.72. Therefore, the answer is minus 8.72 into 10 power minus 18 joules per atom. So, this is the answer for energy. Now, what's the next question? The question is the radius. So, radius Rn is equal to 52.9 picometers into n square by z. So, the unit will be picometer. So, here 52.9 into n is the first orbit 1 square by 2. Therefore, when you do 52.9 by 2, we get 26.45 picometers. So that's the answer. This is the radius of the first orbit. Simple question.